So apparently Google is about to kill off one of the weirdest features ever added to a smartphone. And honestly, I don't know whether to be disappointed or relieved. Because according to the latest leaks, the upcoming Pixel 11 Pro may completely remove the temperature sensor that Google introduced on the Pixel 8 Pro. Yep, the thing that lets you point your phone at random objects like a sci-fi thermometer. And remember when Google later updated it so you could literally scan your forehead with your phone? Yeah, that happened. But here's the funny part. Google might actually be replacing it with something way more interesting. A brand new feature reportedly called Pixel Glow. And if these leaks are accurate, the Pixel 11 could end up looking completely different from any Pixel we've seen before. So let's talk about it. Now, if you look back at the Pixel 8 Pro, the temperature sensor always felt like one of those features that sounded cool in a keynote presentation. But then you forgot it even existed after like 3 days. Sure, it was unique. Sure, it made headlines. But realistically, how many people were actually checking the temperature of their coffee table at 2 a.m.? And exactly. And apparently Google was wondering the same thing because reports say the company even sent out surveys asking users whether they actually use the feature, which is usually never a good sign. Now, the reason people think it's disappearing comes from newer Pixel 11 Pro leaks. The camera bar design supposedly looks different this time, with only a single visible cutout instead of the multiple openings we've seen on previous Pro models. And naturally, people started asking, wait, where did the temperature sensor go? Well, it may have been sacrificed for this new Pixel Glow system, and honestly, this sounds way more exciting. According to discoveries found inside Android 17 Beta 4, Google is apparently working on a new rear lighting system designed for notifications, calls, and even AI interactions. So imagine your phone is lying face down on a desk. Instead of buzzing aggressively across the table like every other smartphone on Earth, the back of the Pixel could light up with subtle glowing patterns to tell you what's happening. Maybe one color for calls, another for messages. Special effects when Gemini responds, potentially even custom lighting for favorite contacts. And suddenly, this starts sounding very familiar. Because yes, people are already comparing it to the Glyph interface on Nothing phones. But Google's version sounds a lot more minimal and polished, less gaming phone RGB, and more smart ambient lighting. At least, hopefully. Now here's where things get really interesting. The Android 17 code reportedly mentions that the feature requires actual hardware lighting components, meaning this probably can't be done through software tricks alone. So Google may actually be adding physical LEDs inside the Pixel camera bar, which honestly makes a ton of sense. The Pixel camera bar is already iconic. Even from across a room, you instantly know it's a Pixel. So turning that into an interactive notification system is actually a pretty clever move. And let's be real, smartphones desperately need more personality right now. Because every phone has basically become flat edges, titanium, AI wallpapers, and a camera island the size of a continent. That's it. So if Google can make the Pixel instantly recognizable not just visually, but dynamically with lighting effects, that could genuinely help the Pixel stand out again. Especially since leaks suggest the Pixel 11 series may also bring a bunch of other hardware upgrades too. We're talking a new Tensor G6 chip, a MediaTek M90 modem, brighter OLED displays, better cameras, slimmer bezels, and a redesigned camera bar overall. And apparently Google could launch the phones around August 2026. Now, obviously none of this is officially confirmed yet. These are still leaks pulled from beta software and early reports, so Google could easily change things before launch. But honestly, I kind of hope this one is real, because removing the temperature sensor feels like Google finally admitting, okay, maybe that wasn't the future, and replacing it with something that actually changes how you interact with notifications every single day. That feels way smarter. The bigger question is whether Google can make it useful without turning the Pixel into a mini nightclub every time someone texts you. Because there's a very fine line between premium futuristic glow and cheap RGB gaming accessory. But if anyone can pull off subtle, clean, software-driven hardware features, it's probably Google. So now I want to know what you think. Would you actually use something like Pixel Glow? Or do you think this is just another gimmick that people will forget about in a week? Drop your thoughts below because honestly, this could either become one of the coolest Pixel features in years or one of the weirdest. And with Google, it's usually both. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.